Ciana cia ngenge itanyihiire 90 na atumia 15 nio makuaga o muthenya makigia ciana kaunti 26 aricio ihutitio na njira nene makiria. Umwe wa maundu maria marerikana gucungiriria ikuũ ici ari wagi wa dawa ona indo iria irabatarania guthara mioyo eno mathibitari-ini.
As we sit here right now, there is a mother who has passed on. As we sit here, Waziri, we are losing 92 newborns every day, every day. What interventions can we be able to put in place? I always tell my team, we are leaders of this country. We will be held accountable in front of God. We cannot run away from that. In one way or another, we can be able to change something.
So when women go to our facilities and for one reason or another, the mindset of the healthcare worker is they see a pregnant woman and they see money. So at the end of the day, people either sit on a patient because they want to claim that money.
Undu uyu niguo utumite Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri gwatha ruhonge rwa unyagia wa dawa rwa KEMSA kwaga kurora mathire maria kaunti iri namo riria guoka ni unyagia wa indo cia guthaitira atumia aya ona ciana.
Now I'm going to send another letter to KEMSA today telling KEMSA that you can deny the counties any other commodity but not those ones.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Naivasha, Duale no oritie mathibitari gutigirira ati arwaru maraheo itanda iria iri kuo, akiuga ni undu wi kieha kuona thibitari imwe ikioya arwaru ona riria wodi cire njihuru.
Mothers who used to sleep on the floor, NHIF used to pay. Mothers who used to share beds, NHIF used to pay. So now SHA will not pay you. SHA will not pay. That's why you see hospitals now are not bothered. SHA will pay you based on the beds on your license.
Kugacirithia motungata ma ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini, Duale no igite kwambiriria mweri-ini wa mugwanja atungati a arwaru matura-ini onao ni magukorwo magikirwo rungu rwa mutaratara wa SHA. Girifo tera Inoro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.